Hi, and welcome to Tough Top Awnings. In this video, we will be washing and caring for your main patio awning. Alright, let's get started. For this project, you're going to need a ladder, bucket, automotive soap, and a scrub brush with a long handle. First off, with the main patio awning rolled up, wet down the entire tube. Next, wash the exposed fabric of your main patio awning with your brush and soapy water. Now, rinse off the soap. These first steps are optional as you can start cleaning with the entire awning rolled out. We just prefer to spend a little extra time scrubbing that area that is always seen and exposed. Now it's time to deploy the awning. Get the entire top of the awning wet. It is now time to scrub the entire awning with soap and water and your long scrub brush. It is best to clean it from both sides first, then clean from the front. Again, a little extra scrubbing doesn't hurt. Before your awning dries, be sure to rinse the entire awning and get all the soap off. The last step is to let the sun do its job and completely dry your awning. Then of course, fire up the grill and relax. Hope you enjoyed this how-to video. To see our other videos, learn about our product line, and order your new RV awning replacement fabric, visit us at www.toughtopawnings.com.